Ever found yourself struggling to send that epic photo gallery or crucial document from one Android phone to another? Today, we're diving into the easiest ways to share files between your Android devices, no matter the size or your preference. First up, let's talk about dedicated file sharing apps. Apps like Files by Google or Shareem are incredibly convenient. They often use your Wi-Fi connection to create a direct link between devices, making transfers lightning fast. Simply open the app on both phones, select the files you want to send, tap Share, and choose the receiving device. When it pops up, it's like magic for your files. Next, for larger files or when you're not near the other person, cloud services are your best friend. Think Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive. Upload your files from the first Android device to your chosen cloud service. Then, on the second Android, simply access the cloud app, find your uploaded files, and download them. Easy peasy. For smaller files, like a contact or a single song, good old Bluetooth still works a charm. Ensure Bluetooth is enabled on both phones. Go to your phone's settings, find Bluetooth, and scan for nearby devices. Pair the two phones, then find the file you want to share within your phone's file manager or gallery, tap the share icon, and select Bluetooth. Choose the paired device, and confirm the transfer on the other phone. Finally, for a direct, cable-free connection without needing a shared Wi-Fi network, consider Wi-Fi Direct. This feature is often built into your phone's Wi-Fi settings. You can initiate a Wi-Fi Direct connection to the other device, creating a sort of private network just between the two phones. Once connected, you can share files using your file manager app, similar to how you would with a file sharing app. It's a great option for a quick, peer-to-peer transfer. So there you have it. Whether you're sharing a few photos or a massive video, you've now got a toolkit of flexible methods to get your files from one Android to another, making sharing simpler than ever. Happy sharing.